sorry about this, guys. Today is one of my good days. I'm going to show you the puppies, and then we'll head them outside back onto my tractor, because as you know, I love my tractor. The quad is ready, but it's leaking again. I could go on that, but I've got nowhere to place you either. Okay, so let me introduce you to the pups. Here we have the mummy. Tilly. Here we have the mummy. Hello, Tilly. And then as you can see here, we all have the puppies scrambled up. We have Tiny Tim. You're here. Come on, Tiny Tim. This is the chocolate one. That's Tiny Tim. Here we have the chocolate one just walking around. And then we have all of them snuggled up. That's just a preview if you want to buy some of my puppies. My mummy's on Facebook selling them, I think. Actually, yeah. So let's just get outside. As you can see today, it is very warm. It's been 27 degrees today, so very hot for England. Here we have. Right then, I'll just show you the quad. Not the quad, the tractor. As you know, we love cold starts, but this has been started. This has been started yesterday, so it might not be a cold start for it, but yes, just see. So sorry if the phone does drop about 10 times. We'll have to see whether she starts as well. I'm not warming her up. So let's just... That was good! Oh my gosh! Let's get out of here. Sit down. This is the episode 2 on my tractor, so enjoy. I'll just give you a preview of the tractor. So here we have the 4-wheel drive front tyres, very nice with the blackened tail on it, and then we have the front PTO. Did you used to actually start it with that? I don't know. We have the wheel, what holds it on. It's quite shiny there. And then we have the other wheel, I've got some look on it there. Just take that off easy. We've got the back tyre, which is huge, I think it is. That. We have the back of it. We put this on it. This right there. We have the PTO right there. So that's the PTO. That's where you put the stuff in. That's a chain just so it doesn't like wobble a lot. And that is when you put the things on, you can just keep it in there, it's safe. Yeah. Then we have tied these on, because if it wasn't tied it would just fall to the floor. Because the arms aren't working, that's why we're swapping it. Here's the number plate. Then at the top it's Thomas, and then if you could see it, I'll just show you. It says Tommy Proud at the bottom of it. Got the other back tyre with some mud on it. We have the clutch. If you push it down, it will put the clutch on. We have the PTO speed. We have 3. We have neutral. We have 2, and we have 1. And then we have. Let me just rub it. We have how to put it in gear. So there's 1 there. I think there is a 3 or something on it. There's a 5 here. Then there's 6. I'm trying to get this off because it's rubbed off. You can see the 1. 5, you can barely see. But then 6 is the. It looks a bit like a P6. We have the exhaust. I'll just show you that it does smoke. I'll just. This is to show you that it smokes when you start it. So you pull that down to actually start it, put it in neutral, make sure it's not in gear, the ignition on, and then to warm it up pull that back, and then to start it just then we have the oil and the charge. If that goes on red, it's not got much charge. We have the water temp. The indicators, what Dad's pulled the wires out. The other one, the other indicators he pulled out, I don't know why. Here we have the brake. Then here we have the rev. And this is the rev as well, if you pull it down. If I start it again for you. Then I'll just show you this. That moves when you put it down. Watch. Then we have the horn. Diesel. We're in. Put it in neutral, make sure it's not in gear, and then slowly take off the clutch. And then you can actually do that and it won't turn off. I've got the key out now. And then pull that down to stop it. And the ignition is off. So I'll just tell you how to start it. So put the key in, turn the ignition on. As you can see, without the ignition it doesn't start. That's how you start it there, when you've got the ignition on. And then pull that back, that's how to warm it up, and then it will start like that. It doesn't normally do that, but let me just show you when they push that forward. Like that. And then I turn it off. And the horn doesn't work without doing that. So that's just the second video on my tractor. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I don't know whether to put this away or what. Oh, I don't know whether to go or what. I've got to start it again. I'll just put you here so I can get it out. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. I'll just do another wheelie for you. Let me do a wheelie tractor. Push me back. I've got to show you this. This is what I use to actually harrow the Menage. You have to pull this. I either pull it with that. Oh, that fell on the floor. Mwah. Or you can pull it with the boogie. And then you just pull it like that. And the Menage is up here, as you can see, like that. Here we have the times. So they're bales, so you can put those in there. I've got to go, guys. Okay. I will just put this somewhere and then I'll say bye. We've got to ramp that thing again, though. They seem rolled. Gone up it. Whee. As you can see, if you... Why won't it stop? Oops. But I have to push that down. turned it off in gear, so if I just do that. Right then, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Should I show you the buggy? I might as well, might I? Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Here we have it. The Steiger. This is what I pull my thing for the Menage in. If I try and start it, it's lit and flat, straight flat. She's flat, straight flat. It was either turned off wrong, or I don't know. It just was gone, completely gone. Hi then. I'll go then, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, as I've already said, and peace out.